Hi fam, this is Oso X for vqpa-ytfz.com. On today's video we'll be unboxing the Pisen and Evangelion Unit 01 charging station. But for that we need this travel adapter for international plugs that you can get because this charger here is for China. Let's open the films real quick. What we have here is the official Evangelion design. It's Pisen plus Evangelion 8-in-1 MagSafe charging station, which features the licensed designs for Unit 01 from Neon Genesis Evangelion, which means has the original colors and likeness all over it. It's good for collectors and fans of the anime. Eva Plus, Nerf logo, Evangelion Pisen, the collection. Here says we can the specifications we can use this MagSafe, but it also has a magnet for Android phones for charging. Supports 140 watts charging, 140 watts fast charging. The charging though delivers up to 140 watts, but it can charge other devices as well, which are USB-C or USB-A. It powers your laptop, phone, tablet, and game console all at once with power delivery PD 3.1 support. Now it's an all-in-one desktop hub. And here you can see the inside of it. So it comes with the branding, the magnet adapter for Android phones, for the MagSafe charger. It also has this fridge magnet, a collectible with Unit 01. We can now go ahead and take out this cover here to see the actual charger and cables, as well as a USB-A to USB-C adapter that comes with it, and you see it now here with the original colors and designs. Now this is a MagSafe charger with the magnetic cover, as well as the 6 devices that you can charge at the same time via cables and adapters. The station supports 15 watts on the MagSafe, and it has the QI2 certified option as well. It has an LED indicator. The LED shows the charging status, like green means 5 volts, purple shows 9 to 15 volts, and yellow means 20 volts. You always know the voltage. You can turn on or turn off the charger so you can charge your device or not. You see the connection here. Now we can use the travel adapter, which is also a charging station in this case. It has a modular and compact design. It has a section of it that works for the Apple Watch. It has an Apple Watch wireless charger. It is time now to use the travel adapter, but don't worry. This station accepts inputs from 110 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 3 amps max, so you can use it in different regions, different areas of the planet. And it has protections built in for voltage and all of that, so keeps the devices safe. Now, the specific model is KF27, but there's also 2 more models for Asuka and Rei Ayanami. The USB-C 1 charger you see here, it can operate at 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 15 volts, 20 volts, or 28 volts. A max of 140 watts though, and 5 amps. At the same as only once. The second USB-C and USB-C 3 do 100 watts. That's the charger for the Apple Watch right there that you see in there inside. And the other one is the MagSafe where you stick it. In the bottom you'll see the specifications I'm talking about. The USB-A port in the back does 5 volts, 5 watts, and the total power output, the max output for the whole unit is 2500 watts. Thank you for watching. This was Oso X. There's no shame in the video game. God bless, and as always, peace, and I'm out.